Terry's major goal was that kids should learn maths and have fun. Every time you saw Terry, he said that.
Well, NumberWorks started in 1984. When we were teachers in a classroom, we found the children didn't really enjoy maths much. And that's why we started the individualised program, which then went to become NumberWorks.
In the early days, it was their friends' children who went. They were the pupils. So it started off very much word of mouth. We came back from Hong Kong in 1986, and Dara and Terry, who were mates, said, "Oh, come and tutor."
Our first school was in Northcote on the North Shore, and then we opened our second school in Newmarket. We were at a party with friends, and Anne and Morris were there, and we thought, how about we take NumberWorks to Australia?
So on the 8th of the 8th of 88, at 8:08, we signed an agreement to take NumberWorks to Australia.
Of course, Morris and Anne had been in Hong Kong, so they had a Chinese background, and Dara is Chinese, so all the eights, it had to work.
It was just clearly a wonderful little business looking to do more.
The key milestone is going to Australia. Suddenly the market grew, and then, of course, bringing in reading.
And the writing of the books was major. And I was so excited today to see all those books still in play, you know, and they're still using them.
The atmosphere in the school was just magic. I loved it. To see how it has developed, but along the tracks that we laid down, but improved on those, it was very, very heartwarming.
And those children that came in on a Saturday, some of them didn't want to leave. That says everything for me.
You actually could hear someone get something occasionally. They would shriek, "Ah, that's how you do it." It was lovely. I mean, this is 40 years on. It just makes us very, very proud and excited.
The essence of the business hasn't changed. It's still the children coming in, they're still enjoying a learning experience and discovering that they can do things. That's still the heart of the business and the future of the business.
It's something that really, really strikes at my heart to see that it has changed people's lives for the better.